Hello, what's up guys, it's 5 a.m. here in Paris, and today's video we're going to test the Virtuo rental app and the Peugeot 208. Hello guys, welcome back. I've been using the Virtuo app for a couple of months now. So if I want to go for a weekend in south of France or north of France, so I use the Virtuo app. It's easy, it's fast, it's contactless. So I will show you the platform, how the platform works. So we will book a car. So we'll just open the app. Okay, we're inside the app now. So we click pick up, then we select parking location, then we're going to select what date we're going to rent the car. So we select 12 and we put the start time at 4 a.m. Then we select the return hour at 2300. Then it will display the available cars for that day. So we have Mercedes, BMW, Fiat, so we have X1. So it will display different locations of the car. So we have Hyundai and we have Volkswagen. So we select the Peugeot 208. Then these are the settings. So we are going a little bit far. It's more than 450 kilometers, so we have to add additional kilometers on our trip. So we're going to add also a baby seat because Savannah is coming, and then we put additional driver if we need to switch drivers. So this one is for the insurance. So you can choose what insurance you want. So we will just select the basic one, and this one is insurance for rims and tires. So we just click yes or no. Okay, so this is the summary of our rent. So we're going to rent for a day, the included kilometer, additional mileage, baby car seat, and additional driver. Additional driver is free. Okay, we will just validate our payment. We're just going to authorize our payment. So that's it. It's authorized. So we're going back to the main platform of the app to confirm the payment. So that's it guys, our booking is confirmed. So it says you can download your key 12 hours before your rental starts. Okay, and that's it. You already download the key. So and the key will be ready to use in 4 hours. So see you in a bit. Here we go guys, we just received a confirmation that our car is already available, and let's go. We're going to pick up our car, and we're just gonna open the car with the app. So we press unlock. There you go. So it says we're gonna check the car if there are damages or no damages. So before we take the car, we're just going to check the car if there are no dents or damage on the sides of the car. So we just go around it. We're just gonna check side mirrors, rims. So you didn't see anything yet. And I think we're good to go. thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on my next video. I'm out.